Making small changes in your everyday life can have a big impact on the planet. Here are 10 ways you can start living a more sustainable lifestyle today. One way to reduce your impact on the planet is to ditch single-use items like paper towels, plastic straws, and styrofoam cups. Instead, opt for reusable items like cloth towels, metal straws, and ceramic mugs. Secondhand clothing is a great way to reduce your carbon footprint. Not only do you save resources by reusing clothes that are already in existence, but you also save money. Win-win. Another easy way to reduce your impact is to bring your own reusable bag when you go shopping. This will help you cut down on the use of disposable plastic bags, which can be harmful to the environment. Composting is a great way to reduce food waste and create nutrient-rich soil for your garden. All you need is a bin and some kitchen scraps. One of the best ways to reduce your impact on the environment is to reduce your energy consumption. Simple things like turning off lights when you leave a room and unplugging appliances when they're not in use can make a big difference. When possible, try to support businesses that are committed to sustainability. This could mean anything from eating at a restaurant that sources local ingredients to shopping at a store that uses recycled materials in its products. Learning about sustainability is an important first step in making more environmentally friendly choices in your life. But it doesn't stop there. Once you've educated yourself, it's important to share that knowledge with others so we can all work together to make a difference. In addition to supporting green businesses, you can also advocate for change by writing letters or signing petitions related to environmental issues that are important to you. Raising awareness is an important step in affecting change. Many organizations work towards making the world a more sustainable place. Find one that aligns with your values and volunteer your time. From planting trees to cleaning up beaches, there are plenty of ways you can help make a difference. Another way you can work towards making the world more sustainable is by getting involved in politics. This could mean voting for candidates who support green policies or working on a campaign related to an issue you care about. Whatever route you choose, get involved and make your voice heard. Small changes add up to a big impact when it comes to sustainability. So don't be afraid to start small. You don't have to go completely zero waste overnight or give up all your possessions to start making a difference. Every little bit counts. And who knows? Once you start making some of these sustainable choices, they might become second nature.